Yo, what up, Shibu Melvin? So today we will be talking about the supercharged shower head. So I just bought this from Shopee, and let's see if this works. So if it increases the pressure. So this is the original shower head that we have, and let me show you the pressure that it produces. There you go. See that one? Okay, we can change the setting. There you go. There you go. So that is the normal shower head that we have. Now, let me show you this new shower head that I got from Shopee. It says here that it will increase the water pressure, and it has a filter. You can see that the water in our place is very dirty. You can see the filter getting all the filtrate and all that stuff. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and there's like a little fan at the back. And this one is movable. See that one? You can move it. And this is the turning on and off. So it's on, and then you can adjust the pressure. So let's try it. Actually, this is the off. Actually, this is off. This is on. See that one? So you can see the fan inside is turning, and there's it. I mean, this is how it works. So let's see. Okay. See that one? So if you ask me, it really does increases the pressure, and yeah, I think it works. It works real good. It looks better than the one earlier, right? So I'll give this a thumbs up. 5 out of 5. It serves its purpose, and the water pressure increases. So that's it. It's your boy Melvin, and I'm out.